a deerskin drum, 18-inch. Wanted to just do a little video just so that you could actually hear and see it before you committed to it. I don't like to just do things blind. I need to get your okay that this is suitable for you. So yeah, so I've took some photographs. I'm going to do this little video just so you can, you know, have a little listen. We'll play with a soft beat at first. Beautiful deep tone. It is actually, you probably tell, it's blowing and it's wet and windy out here, so it probably absorbed quite a lot of moisture since it's been out here. I'm just taking the photographs before the video, so it's had a chance to absorb some moisture, and it's probably gone a little bit deeper, but it will go higher in pitch and tone when it's warmed, obviously, as you're aware. So just that you know where it's at sound wise. This is a Philodita. Lovely. Okay, I'll get this little video edited, pop it onto YouTube, send you the link. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye bye.